Welcome to Financial Edge by Honest Accounting Group. I'm Enoch Garcia, QuickBooks Advisor and Lead Accountant at Honest Accounting Group. If you need help with bookkeeping, QuickBooks, or cash flow management, please visit honestaccountinggroup.com to schedule a free consultation. You can also find me on LinkedIn under Enoch Garcia. Now let's get started. So in this video, we're going to go over how to properly enter a vehicle payment for a financed vehicle. Okay, so we'll go to transactions, bank transactions. And now please remember that this is a sample company. So I don't have an actual Tesla transaction here. So I'm just going to use this transaction to show you. And let's say this is Tesla. So I'm just going to type in Tesla and we'll have the vendor created. And since we need to split the transaction between principal and interest, we will not use this section. We will simply enter the vendor name and then go to split. Now we have the vendor here. We have the payment of $1,200 hypothetically. And then we'll select the Tesla loan account. Okay. And we created this in the prior video. And now we need to create a new account. And we can call this interest paid Tesla loan. Okay, we'll do an expenses as the account type and interest paid. Okay, so now we have the account here. Let's hit save. And here's where we'll do the split. Okay, so again, your numbers will be your numbers. This is just how to do it. So let's say it was $1,000 towards the principal and $200 of interest. So remember, as if you've seen the video of how to split transactions, at the bottom we have the original amount and then the split amount. If this amount is 0, we'll have a difference of 200 until we've allocated it. And so in this case, I'm going to do 200. And now we have a $0 difference. So again, let's imagine that this is Tesla. We're paying it to Tesla. $1,200 is the monthly payment. $1,000 is the principal. And this is the interest for the Tesla. Okay. And then we'll hit split and add. And so how we verify this is going to reports. And let's go to the balance sheet. I'm going to go to classic view. It's easier to navigate in my opinion. Okay. So if we go to the Tesla loan and we click on it to see the detail, we can see that when in the prior video, we entered the entire loan for the vehicle. And now we can see there's the expense of reducing that loan by the $1,000 payment that we just made. So it went from $64,500 to $63,500. And now if we go to the profit and loss, we can scroll down and then we have the interest paid for the Tesla loan. If we open the detail, we'll see that expense that we just entered that was split in two. Now here you can attach the file. You can attach the monthly statement that you get and you can reference it or compare it to make sure you entered everything right. But nonetheless, this is how you would enter it. Okay, if this was helpful, make sure to give the video a like and feel free to leave a comment with any questions for this video or any other QuickBooks questions. I'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to subscribe for future content. Thank you.